Hello everybody, what's in the whole universe? I hope everything's fine, and I'm a Russian man who brings value to my own experience. And today's raining time in Moscow, and I'm going from my university today. I was on lectures on methodology of pedagogy of Russian language. It was good. And also we'll have the lectures about hermeneutics in one day and about like business English, but my English is super nice. I don't want to say that it is like maestro and I am Shakespeare here, but so soon it will be, I think so. I hope, because I learn and I like learning. I want to say that I'm a genius, really guys. And I want to use my opportunities. Everybody is a genius, by the way. And I want to use my opportunities. It all depends on how much work you invest in. And I invest a lot of work in on stuff. And I want to use my opportunities right now to AI and VR and also computer science. It will be interesting because previously I was jumping from different topics on my channel. And that's good, by the way. And because I know more things of life. And actually my channel, it is more about entrepreneurship around the things around, because I like to develop, I like to work, I like to learn new stuff. Really, even I have one more channel, it is called Learn Eater, in the meaning that I eat knowledge, eat learning materials and something like this. And right now I want to focus on AR and VR. What is AI? AI, it is artificial intelligence. VR, it is virtual reality. AR, it is augmented reality. And I want to focus on it because it will be good. It will be actually good to focus because I can bring value to you through this. Because I will learn about it more and you will see my progress in it and something like this, you will be inspired. And second part, it will be good for me too. I will learn it better. It means that I will be better at pedagogy of this stuff to you, and also to share my kind of creating engineer work, computer science engineer work, and some aerospace maybe engineering too, in a meaning of VR and AI. I need to focus more on this stuff on this channel from now on till some period of time. Maybe it will be like 2 days or something, but I want to focus right now for a longer period of time. From now on we will have videos about physics, about math, about chemistry, and about computer science and engineering related stuff. Because I like it, guys. Yes, I like to speak about life actually. It is good. But sometimes we need to focus on something to notice more things in these concepts. Because, you know, if you want to be a dancer, you need to look at the world as you are a dancer or something, and you want to see people who are kind of moving. Look, he's on a bike and bicycle, and he's doing his actions with his legs, and you are always thinking about movements of your hands and of your legs, and also about your posture and something like this. It is good. And in any situation you should think about this, because you want to be like a nice and healthy person. It's amazing. But sometimes we need to focus. If I want to be like a jurisdiction man, I should think about, like, I'm walking right now on the street, and I should think about laws and something like this. It is all about our mind thinking. And when I'm walking, I want to focus on two things: entrepreneurship or maybe AI VR. It will be nice because in fields that I want to learn. Actually, I want to learn everything, and everything is possible to learn. I believe in it, because if we can imagine it, then we can do this. Actually, I believe in it that we can learn. It all depends how many information we need to learn and how many time do you need in your life. If you have like millions of time of your lifespan that you can learn anything, yes. And how to do this? Need to be cyborgs and something like this. Cyborgs of bio-cyborgs, in the meaning of it will be really like natural. And I want to work on photosynthesis. I want to work on ozone healing. Ozone healing, it is. Why do I want to focus on AR and VR? The main goals are to heal our ozone holes that we have. Ozone holes, what is it? Actually, ozone holes, it is something that it is when we launch a rocket ship, then we have a specific thing on our look. If we will see the atmosphere layers, we can notice specific ozone layer. And on this ozone layer, when we launch a rocket ship, then it could be ozone holes, ozone layer holes. It means that we have dots or something, and by it we don't make for our planet something really nice in a meaning of our life that people are continuing to live. It means that I want to bring to people life, and how to do this need to create specific institutes, and to think about this the way too. Need to think how to cover our holes, ozone holes, and everything will be fine. Also how to create a photosynthesis of AI, like how to create a robotics and something like AI robotics. It is the most important thing, because if we can create a specific thing that can create a photosynthesis in our life, then it will be amazing. I imagine you have a photosynthesis. It means that you can use carbon a lot, because you have a lot of photosynthesis, you have a lot of oxygen, and it will not be so super scary to us to run out of oxygen. And also if we have photosynthesis, then we can use them on Mars. And if you can use on Mars, then we can create an atmosphere on Mars, and then it will be good. That's why from this point we should think about how to create it. And how to create it need to go to the fundamentals of our life. Fundamentals, how everything works in a computer, in our life of mechanics, of our life of electricity charges, and also laws of Kirchhoff, and also Boyle-Mariota laws, and thermodynamics laws, and something like physicians' names. Yes, and I want to learn it, and it will be kind of my learning ability. I want to learn English in this way, to understand it in English, and this channel is about English, my knowledge. I know how to use it in Russian, and right now I want to use it in English. And sometimes I will do kind of, for you to bring more value, I will translate it to Russian, because I know that a lot of viewers from another different places, they are watching me, and I want to bring value to you, that you can understand Russian stuff about science and things of this nature. I hope that you understand. And I mean that I will talk about Russian terms of science, and then you will find, oh geez, I'm a little bit shy of them. I will talk about Russian terms of science, and I will translate them to English, okay? It will be more about science related stuff. That's why I want to do. And also, if we want to learn more about photosynthesis, we should learn more about how everything in life works. Then in the next videos maybe you will see me, how I look at the grass, and I speak about the terms of grass, like atoms inside of it, electrons, neutrons, and also our trees and their position in life in the meaning of objects, like coordinates of axis X, axis Y, axis Y, axis X, and axis Z, and others. You will understand it. For example, bush coordinates and or axes, and also something like arrays and lists of things. I need to think about them, and sometimes I feel kind of maybe no need to speak about this. Need to speak about this because if I know that I have possibility to change and to heal this, I genuinely believe that we can do this with all humanity. Then we can do this, and need to focus on something more related. It is the same like if we want to create a specific lecture about Russian history, then we should focus on Russian history, not like Arabic history. Yes, we can learn Arabic history in the meaning that we connect dots, like we know Arabic history and what Russia was doing with Arabic, but you understand that it will be much more better if you will go to the Russian history and you will learn about it. Yes, it's like focusing on something, and I want to focus on it. Yes, I understand that not so big amount of viewers will watch my videos then, but it's okay, guys, because we are setting goals for a long perspective. I do this for like 2 years from now. I will see that, Jesus Christ, I know right now more glossaries about this and know more terms about it and how it works. And on this channel you will see more glossaries, how I read glossaries maybe, and my knowledge, how I retell glossaries, because I want to learn more. Like I will, with my memory, I will talk about angles that we have, because I don't know mathematician stuff fully in English. I know lines, triangle, rectangle, also angles, and like right angle and also straight angle. It is 180 degrees, and degrees of freedom I know, but need to learn more. I understand, need to know how to integrate, how to speak about integration in English, and then everything will be fine. And the same I want to learn in another languages. It means that I will do this in Russian too. In Russian I will dive more, and it's all about learning. I like learning and doing new stuff and helping to the humanity. If I have this opportunity, then I want to go to this, and it will be really amazing stuff. Yes, let's go. Thank you a lot for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. My chemical friends, my physicians, my chemists, and also mathematicians, thank you a lot. Engineers, software engineers, hello everybody. And also people who are from another different fields of industries, hello too. Yes, improve us all daily, build different things, and it will be more scientific stuff, how to create anything, because it will be kind of productive, I think so, and it will be valuable to people than only talking and smiling. Talking and smiling, it is good, yes, we can connect it. Talking and smiling and this. It doesn't mean that we choose this or that, it means that we kind of add, like, and this stuff of smiling and kind of life value, and plus more physics. It will be the most powerful, yes, amazing. I feel it right now, that when I said this. So thank you a lot for watching. Improve slowly, go forward, and you know that everything depends on you. See you next time. Bye bye.